Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm unboxing, not really unboxing, but accessorizing my iPhone 17. I just got this 4 days back. So yeah, it's not really an unboxing video per se. I am replacing my iPhone 14 Pro Max 256 GBs, which I've had for about 3.5 years. Now finally with a new iPhone, and of course I had a choice between a 16 plus or a 17, but I went for the 17 because from 14 it made sense to jump 3 bits upwards rather than for 16 plus, because 17 does not have a plus size and I'm used to larger screen formats like the 14 Pro Max had. This, though surprisingly, doesn't feel that small. It's kind of an in-between size in terms of the screen size. Before we yap ahead, let's open this. So of course my phone, I have been using it and I just placed it back into the box, but let me show you how amazing this looks. So I went for the sage green color, of course, because we love green on this channel so much. But not just that, honestly, if you do see review of the various colors which are available in the series this time, this is one of the most unique colors, which is it stands out, but it's not like, you know, it doesn't shout too much, so it stands out by being subtle is what I want to say. Okay, so that's how it looks from the front. I'm loving the green wallpaper with the whole green background. It's just perfect. I love this very nice matte, at the same time very metallic. So matte metallic kind of a green is how it is. An interesting thing on the back this time is this Apple logo, which matches the color of the phone. So there you go. So that's how they have made the Apple logo this time. So it matches the color of the phone inside, which is a very cool touch. So does the iPhone font. So loved the details on this. Very simple. Comes with a C-type charging pin, of course. Right after the purchase, I put on the clear crystal lens covers. So that's that. Now for the main part, which actually is the whole accessorizing my iPhone 17 bit, which is this box here, which is actually from Daily Objects. So I initially was thinking if I should go for the official Apple merchandise, but honestly at that cost, the kind of variety of the things you get is not enough for me. So I had actually totally forgotten about Daily Objects. Since a while, like when they launched, I would really buy their stuff, and then over time I kind of just forgot about it. But for some reason, the minute I got the phone, I went to the Daily Objects page because I wanted a good quality cover, case and accessories. So I had remembered seeing something long ago, and I am so happy with my purchase, but I have not yet opened it. It's been 4 days. It came after 4 days, though I ordered it immediately after buying the phone. It came today, so let's open this first and let me talk more. So there's a whole lot of stuff I ordered, and then it made sense, I think, for me to use to do an accessorize my iPhone video, because I don't want to do the technical specs of the phone. We all know it by now. We know everything about it. So here we go. Let's start with the main hero feature, which is this beautiful matching green case for the phone. So let me keep this here, and the box goes here and the case goes here, and then comes this amazing lovely lanyard. So I'm really excited for this one. And then comes, oops, it's a bit opened already. There's one more lanyard I ordered, which is like actually a gift for my mom. So that's that, and it came in this. And then there was something which was like a bundle pack thing, like a bundle offer. So I got this sling bag for free, which is actually worth a lot of money. So this we'll come to a bit later. But yes, this is something I'm waiting for trying really quickly, because my phone has been lying naked. But in the meantime, actually what I was using was this little magnetic stand, which is like also a wallet case, like you can keep stuff. So I would hold my phone like this. I really like to extend it like that and use it. It's easier on the fingers. This also folds and becomes like a quick stand, and you can actually also do this, which is like so, which is like so. So basically it again becomes even a taller stand. So I love it. You can also use it horizontally, so it's perfect for watching videos, YouTube videos, doing calls and stuff like that. And you can store some basic cards and money here if you want. So this is what I've been using the last 4 days. I use it for all my video calls at home with my mom, so it's easier to hold. And even this, when it's folded, it's like really nice and chunky, so the phone doesn't fall off. So okay, that's what I've been using. But now we move on to these guys. So they apparently have got a design award, is what I was seeing the other day. So these, I would say, are slightly expensive, but I think it's totally worth it, because I think it will compare to the original Apple merchandise quality of the accessories. So yeah, okay, yes, that's how you push it. And how do you remove it? Oh, okay, you have to peel this off here. Okay, the tape, and now you can pull it out, I guess. Oh, I just push it actually. Or what do I do? I pull it. I can't, where do I, okay. This is where it comes out from. Okay, so I opened it the wrong way. But here it is, and really good packaging, I must say. Okay, it's off. Okay, pretty nice sturdy packaging. And here is the case. I love it. I love the soft feel of it. It's brilliant. And this is the design bit, yeah. So they've got 2 of these. Do check out the website for the designs. And it's got a MagSafe magnetic holder as well, and I'm loving it. I love it. It's like a soft thing, like a plastic, but doesn't feel like plastic. Little bit of silicone, but not at all silicone like, if you know what I mean. It's basically very smooth and soft. So let's put in the phone. Yep, there you go. I love it. It's suddenly become so much more good on the grip, because without it also it was fine. The phone is really nice at this size to be held, and it really doesn't slip or something. But with this I feel so much more confident. And now for the interesting part, which is this one, the sling. So now we know how to remove this. There we go. So I wanted like they have this whole DIY thing, like you can mix and match the colors, which is what I wanted to do. I just want to show how the camera lenses are looking here, the crystal clear lenses I've put. So the back looks really nice and neat and clean. And here we go. This is the sling. So this will basically help me when I'm stepping out or I'm doing house chores while having my phone with me, so which is very important. Let's try and install this. So I think this design comes in handy somehow, but I'm not sure how. Okay, let me just figure this out. Okay, so this clip comes off. Again, these are customizable, so if you want to have some other color, you can do that. So now I will be putting this one. So I guess I remove this from here. Do I have to see the instructions? I probably should before I damage things. But there are no instructions. There are no instructions. How am I supposed to put this? Okay. Oh, okay. That was pretty simple. So you just kind of put it in the holes. You remove these. I was also going to break it off, right? And these are metal links. That's pretty cool. I was expecting it to be plastic, but these are actually metal links. So very rough and tough. That was a question kind of we had, that will it be sturdy enough? Can you trust the lanyard to hold such an expensive phone? What if someone tugs on it, or what if it falls off with some pressure or running, or you know, your movements out and about? So kind of that answers it. So that kind of answers it. So there you go. And yep, that's a sling. It's got this soft, nice silicone rubber kind of shoulder pad, so it doesn't hurt your neck and shoulders when you put it as a cross sling or on one side. Some branding, and this I think helps you adjust the length of it. And there's a metal link here, so I'm loving the details. I think it's worth the quality and the cost. Just want to check how the length can be. Okay, so this is how I shorten it. This is, I think, the shortest. So I will have to check once on what are different ways of adjusting this. And let's put the phone back in. So that's how this looks, and I can actually just hang the phone around me. This is perfect for me because I go out a lot. So like right now I've put it around my neck, and what I was saying is that I go out a lot, I go to the gym a lot, I go for walks and doing my steps in the home as well, and you don't want to be holding the phone while you're on calls because it really hurts the fingers. I'm sure everyone knows that. This one also is a cool one. I will just open it up to check. I would have loved to let my mom do it, but I just want to show you guys. So this is the other lanyard you get, which has the simple way of inserting in your case. So in your current case, it will be put from the charging placeholder pin, and it's a nice thick, very nice thick material. It's like a cloth, and I guess you can even put it around like that and make it a smaller one. But this is also very cool, I think, for women especially, for moms also, for them to take it on their walks, right? So really cool. But I think I would like to see some tutorials from their website on how to exactly use these things. I guess it goes here maybe. And I don't know what this is for. Is it for putting in your maybe headphone wires or something like that? Probably. So I guess, yeah, like that. I'll have to check. So it's pretty long. You can basically shorten and lengthen it is what you can do. Maybe even here, I'm not sure. And this of course is adjustable for the, I really don't know how to use this. I'll have to check the instructions, which are there, by the way, which are there for this one. So they do have different types of lanyards. They have a variety of those. I have tried to go for 2 of them. So that's the adjustable strap, it says, which is fine. Secure dog hook, so that's what it's called. It's called a dog hook. Adjustable strap, strength tested material. Universal product, can go in any of the phones. How to install this bit is clear, but what do you do with the rest of it? They haven't mentioned that, but anyway, we will figure it out. But yes, so that was it. That's accessorizing my iPhone 17 with daily objects. and I'm loving the new color, I'm loving the new upgrade. Also, I just wanted to say one thing, that these days it's become such a common thing to upgrade your phones. Like earlier it used to be such a big deal buying an iPhone, and it still is, of course, but it's just become like such a normal thing these days. Like you change your phone, you upgrade it, and you do that because you kind of make value of your older phone. So I got some 30,410 in exchange of my iPhone 14 Pro Max, which I think was a decent amount. I was expecting 42 on the Cashify app, but at the Apple store I got 30, and then they had cashback offers and store discounts and everything, so it made sense to upgrade, because no point holding on to an old iPhone. You're just losing that money. It's becoming brick day by day. So there's a new one, just go for it, right? So yeah, that's all. I'm happy with the purchase. Oops, I forgot something. The free bag. So this is the free bag which I got on a minimum purchase amount from their website. Let's quickly open it up and have a look. Oh, nice. So it's also a sling bag. So again, if you're out and about, going for a walk, want to take your keys and some basic wallet with you, this is the thing. Honestly, these days we make all our purchases from phone, so we barely carry any money, but phone is the main thing that we need with us, for which we have to carry like a really big bag. But not anymore. You can easily place your phone in this. I'm loving the internal black and the internal white and red color scheme, and I actually wanted the green one and I got the green one because you can't choose in the free gift the color. It's given at random. So I'm really happy I got this one. I will not open this strap right now. I'll keep it for later. Maybe ask my mom to do it, and I'm gonna gift it to her probably. So that's about it, guys. Thank you so much if you watched this video, and if this review helped you decide on what accessories to get from Daily Objects to make your phone a little bit more funky, at the same time get the best utility for the things you buy. So thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.